Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power passenger seat. Come see the car for yourself.